Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we're talking about 99 Bitcoins, which is the learn to earn platform. So they are offering courses for people to just learn about crypto and getting rewards for that. They also have a staking program that we'll be going through and some social media accounts from Twitter, Discord, and Telegram that we'll be checking out too. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Also, please note that all the resources and links used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out too. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes only. So guys, we are now on the official website of 99 Bitcoins. Of course, the links will be in the description below, so make sure you check them out too. And 99 Bitcoins pre-sale is actually now live and is going to be going for the next day, 16 hours, 30 minutes, and 10 seconds. The USDT raised by now is at $2.2 million, and the next stage will be a price increase, and that's when we reach the 3 million cap. So you can actually buy the 99 Bitcoins using your Ethereum, your USDT, and your credit card. And for example, here, if you pay 1 Ethereum, you will be getting 3 million 99 Bitcoins. You can also connect your wallet by pressing this button right here, or you could be buying with your BNB wallet. Of course, the 99 Bitcoin token is the future of the learn to earn, and they are actually aiming to just create a big platform for people to get signals, to be in contact with each other, to get crypto courses, and of course, get rewarded for each step that they do on this platform. The community includes 700,000 followers, which is a lot for a new project. Subscribers are at now 2.8 million subscribers, and there is now already available courses or crypto courses that are at 79 hours. So if you go a little bit here down, you can find the 99 Bitcoins and all of these trading platforms, CoinDesk, Techopedia, News Bitcoin, and many other more. Of course, you'll be finding all the links in the description below. And here's the platform of 99 Bitcoins. This is once you create an account and you start using the platform, you'll be having access to such really detailed platform and really clear. Here, there is the BRC20 powered platform. So since 2013, the 99 Bitcoins is most comprehensive online learning resource in crypto. And now they are trying to merge it with the BRC20 focus, which is a standard that enables the minting and transferring of fungible tokens of Bitcoin. So it becomes a 99 Bitcoin token. Together, 99 Bitcoins leverages BRC20 to create a synchronous learn-to-earn platform that rewards users for learning about crypto. And these are the things that you will be getting once you sign in the 99 Bitcoins platform. So there is, of course, interactive crypto learning. There is 99 Bitcoins token rewards for each crypto course that you finish. There is the BRC20 tools and education, and of course, really trusted crypto trading signals. And there is the Bitcoin halving effect and the community engagement. Of course, this is a really important point because you will be connected to some fellow learnings, share insights, and participate in discussions to enhance your understanding. And of course, stay updated with the latest trends and development. Of course, here there is the token metrics. We're not going to be talking a lot about this because it's pretty clear. So the fund is now at 10% allocation for the pre-sale, 13% for the staking, 27% for the project fund, 17% for the community rewards, 8% for liquidity, and 23% for marketing. And the roadmap actually is also so clear and is posted on their official website, so you can be checking that too. So you can know what's the future step of 99 Bitcoins, what are they doing right now, what are they developing right now, and what they will be developing in some time. So Q2, Q3, Q4, and beyond. And of course, here there is pretty interesting giveaway, and they are actually giving $99.999 thousand in BTC, and you can actually see that there is 12,000, nearly 30,000 total entries, and there is already 32 days, so you actually have some time to join, and you'll be just finishing these steps in order to get more and more tickets. So signing up on the 99 Bitcoins website, following them on their Twitter, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, Facebook, pre-sale page, wallet address, submit BTC wallet, referring your friends, or here there is a click for a bonus. Once you finish all of these steps, you can get your bonus. And of course, the steps are really easy. Of course, I will be putting an extra link in the description below for the BTC airdrop, so you can guys check it out. And actually, 99 Bitcoins token is not actually just a token, but you can actually stake it. And here is the staking platform, or the staking information. So you can actually see the stake balance, your stakeable balance, the percent of the pool. The total staked is at the 1,418,099 Bitcoin. The estimated rewards is 767% PA. A rewards rate is dynamic. Obviously, the monthly rewards is percent divided by 12, and the daily rewards is a percent divided by 365. The current rewards is 4,143.99 Bitcoins per Ethereum block sold, and the total rewards are here. If you have already like staked your coins, you can actually press this claim rewards and you will be getting your rewards. And of course, at the end of the website, they have actually some FAQs for the people that are newcomers, that they do not know a lot of information about 99 Bitcoin and they want to get more information. Of course, is there a support line for new users? Yes, if you need help with purchasing 99 Bitcoins in presale or any other crypto query, please join our Telegram and Discord channels and a moderator will happily assist you. Of course, you can join their Discord, their Twitter, and their Telegram page here by just pressing this, and we'll be checking their Twitter account in a bit. So that's it. Of course, they have here some small friendly team that they can answer your questions. So if you have any questions, inquiries about the project, about creating an account, how to stake, or anything, just get in touch by pressing this, and that's it. So now we'll be going to their Twitter page, which is actually also pretty interesting because they actually have 21,000 followers, and this is really, really good for a new trending project. Of course, they are pretty active on their social media and they are trying to merge this humor theme thing with Bitcoin, where people will be getting actually some more knowledge by just watching the memes and reacting to them. And of course, they have here their biggest announcement, which is over $2 million raised with the 99 Bitcoins, which is a huge milestone for a crypto project like this. So guys, like I told you, it's a pretty interesting project and I'm super bullish about it. I would see it. I mean, now 199 Bitcoin equals $0.001, but I would say by the end of 24, we will be already breaking this zero, or by the end of 2025, we'll be bringing this zero. And in some time, if they actually finish all of the quarter milestones, we'll be seeing another zero that will be getting eaten by the next years. So like I told you, it's a really pretty interesting project and I think you guys need to check it out. Of course, they have here the white paper, audit, and their about, learn to earn, features, tokenomics, and roadmap, which we already talked about. And yeah, their site is also available in multiple languages: Arabic, Bulgarian, English, Chinese, and Czech, Japanese, Italian, Indonesian, and many other languages that you can be also translating your site to, so you can better understand what they are talking about and what are their features they are offering. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about 99 Bitcoins and we went through the main website. Of course, all the resources and links used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out too. And of course, if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course, comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered. Have a good day. Bye bye.